I bought and tested both of these TV trays and tables on Amazon. I'm gonna give you my opinion on which one I like the best. I've been using each one for about 3 weeks. There's definitely some pros and cons of each. I'm gonna cover all that, answer all questions. Everyone wants to know, do you need any tools to assemble this? You do not. It literally comes with like a little Allen wrench, and you don't need any outside tools. Instructions for both are super clear. This one right here, this is the SJIU one. This is a adjustable table, 17 to 34 inches. You can go up and down. How you adjust this is right over here. You're just gonna go up and down. Super, super simple. Really like the fact that you can get basically like the perfect height for you. You don't have to worry about being locked into a certain bracket or anything. This is heat resistant. This one is on wheels, so it's easy to move around. You don't have to worry about that. If you want this a little looser, you can kind of move this however you want. If you don't want that to move at all, you can really tighten these and it's not going anywhere. Super easy to assemble. Literally screw the screws to the top right over here, put it in this base, screw this base to here, put the wheels on. So that is the SJIU. This could hold up to 50 pounds. This one right over here, this is gonna be the Data Road table right over here. It doesn't say how much weight this holds. One of the biggest differentiators about this one right over here is it does pop up just like this. So if you had a laptop that you were working on and were working on this with, you could literally kind of have this like up to work, which is nice. You could kind of just have this angled just like this, and you can kind of type on that. So if that's kind of what you're into, you could do that. The adjustable on this is, it goes as low as 22 inches, as tall as 31. This one does not have any wheels at all. It does have like little, you can see here, I don't know, screwy things that kind of could screw down, screw up, so you have like unlevel surface. You don't have to worry about that at all. This is what a 9-inch plate looks like on each one of them right over here. So for this one, that's kind of what it looks like. For this one, this is what it looks like. I would say there's a little bit more area here, and you could demonstrate that with the computer right over here. I did have a mouse, but if a mouse would kind of move a little bit easier here, with the computer over here, there's really no space for the mouse. So just keep that in mind if you're using this to work. This one might be the better fit for you because you could adjust it like this, or whatever you want to do. To adjust this one right over here, you have 2 different pins right over here. So you have to push both of these in, and then it kind of goes down. I have trouble with that, so what I usually do is I push one in just like that, let it go down a little, and then I push this next one in just like that. And that's what I found the best way to kind of move it up and down. So that's kind of been my experience with this one. So I guess the overall gist of this, I personally prefer this one. Couple of reasons. I can adjust it to any height that I want. I'm not locked into any levels. Like this one has 8 different levels. This one is also on wheels. I create a lot of content and make a lot of videos, so it's easy for me to wheel this around, especially if I want to put a tripod or something like this. Also, I like the idea just that you could just get the right one. This one was much more easy to assemble. I would say this one's a little more sturdier. You can see when you knock on this one. This one, a little bit more assembly required for this. To be honest, I'm like kind of torn on this one. I do like this one because it's more sturdy and it adjusts more easily. But if you kind of want to do work, like a laptop mouse, this is going to be the one for you. If you're trying to watch TV, have a tablet, or maybe you don't even want a mouse, this is going to be the one for you. I hope you found this helpful. Again, you can't go wrong with really either one of these. But just for the ease of assembly, I will say this one's much easier to assemble, much easier to adjust up and down, and you can get that perfect one for you. And this one is on wheels. You could also slide these under the couch. Both of these hold laptops. We kind of went over that. So, hope you found this helpful and you get the right tablet stand for you. Enjoy.